Hi, this is Kelsey from Inspired Elite Solutions. Today we're on Anger Management Module 9. Go ahead and open up the PDF. The purpose of this video is to guide you through the module as you read and take notes in response to the questions. I will ask you to pause throughout as you complete a task. Module 9 is conflict resolution. Go ahead and read that first paragraph, and then where it says take a moment to consider either your workplace or a relationship and consider the following questions, write down your thoughts. So look at those questions and write down your thoughts. Pause the video. Now we're at why does conflict occur? Here are some reasons why conflict can occur. 1. Lack of communication. 2. Lack of effective leadership or decision making. 3. Value conflicts. 4. Gender role differences. 5. Not pulling one's own weight. 6. Change and transitions. 7. Unresolved baggage. 8. Distorted beliefs about conflict. 9. Destructive patterns. Read through each of those, pause the video. Now we're at conflict resolution styles. We tend to develop one of 4 conflict resolution styles. Consider which one of the styles you most likely fit into. 1. Denial or avoidance of the conflict. 2. Giving in rather than confronting the conflict. 3. One person gets angry and blames the other person. And 4. Seeking an innovative, fair, optimal solution for both people. So consider which one you may fit into. Pause the video while you take some notes. Now we're at basic 10-step conflict resolution method. Consider the following basic conflict resolution steps. You may already use some of them. Which of these steps, if any, have you been leaving out? 1. Find okayness within yourself. 2. Recognize conflict issues. 3. Select an appropriate time and place to discuss the issues. 4. Treat each other with respect. 10. Listen carefully. 6. Focus on feelings. 7. Verbalize the conflict issues. 8. Identify your share of the problem. 9. Recognize and identify optimal solutions. 10. Choose a mutually acceptable solution. So I want you to read through each of those in detail. It's a couple pages long. And then think about which are you leaving out. Pause the video. Now we're at the section before working through a conflict. Here are some helpful questions to ask prior to any attempt at conflict resolution. Read through those 4 questions. If the answer to each of these questions is yes, then continue with the basic 10-step conflict resolution method. If some answers are no, you may need to choose a different manner of expressing your concerns. Now we're at suggested ground rules for conflict resolution. 1 person speaks at a time. Mutually agree to listen to one another, to try to understand the other person's perspective on the situation before responding. Agree to maintain confidentiality unless there is a clear understanding regarding who else needs to know further information. Agree to communicate openly, respectfully, and direct with each other. Agree not to personally attack each other's character. Now we're at the exercise. What's the overall message you're getting about how to solve a conflict with someone? I want you to take notes on this. Pause the video. After talking about the overall message you're getting about how to solve a conflict, I want you to think about you're going to practice these basic 10-step conflict resolution method this week. Try using the method with a lower level conflict issue, with someone you think that will be relatively safe and reasonable. So along with that homework, you're going to continue working on your anger log. And now you have completed Module 9. Congratulations!